Hey everybody, giving you an update, actually not an update, but a preview of my newest build here. It will be the 1990 Mustang LX 5.0 Drag Racer by Revell. So, never built this kit before. Picked it up at Hobby Lobby. They had the 40% off sale. Decided I'm going to give this one a try. Hey, here's the dog. Say hi to the dog. Dog, say hi to the world. Thanks for stopping by. So, I started a little bit of work on it. Let me bring you down to the desk here. There's a couple previous builds. You might have seen a couple videos on those. So I started painting some of the pieces. I know a lot of you guys like to take all the pieces off the trees and whatnot before you start painting it, but I like to paint them all so I could detail them. They're all holding on there. And then just touch up, what everything gets on. So I found some cool pictures for interior that I think I'm going to like. The engine, I'm just going to do aluminum because it is a drag engine, so it really doesn't need anything fancy. It's not a show car. So, like I said, the interior, I'm going to do some cool stuff with. I like how it comes with both hoods, the stock hood and the drag race hood. I really believe that this model is the same model kit as the standard Mustang. Because there's a couple pieces, or trees here, that have the suspension and exhaust that are completely different from the rest of the car. And then the racing seats, airfoil, and the racing hood are on a separate tree. Everything else, like this is the exhaust for the standard 5.0, it has all the pieces. So it's just like the pieces added in there. So that should be, I guess if you wanted to build it the regular Mustang, you could. Even the chrome tree, I don't have the chrome tree here, but even the chrome tree has the stock rims and the drag race rims. So this will be a drag race car. I have a color in mind. I have at work. We have a spray paint at work that I knew I wanted to use it on a drag racer. We weren't using it at work. I knew I wanted to do it for a drag racer. Saw the Mustang and said, hey, I could do that. So like I said, got some of the pieces painted up. Got to continue working on them, detailing it up a little bit. It's the 1990 5.0 Mustang Drag Racer. Like I said, little preview. I'll keep you guys posted. Hey, it's Sunday afternoon, Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers, all your mothers, all your wives, baby mamas, whatever. Hey, it's Mother's Day. Hey, it's also Sunday. Weekend closing up. Hope you're all enjoying. Talk to you guys later, and take care of yourselves.